Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York, and just wanted to share with you guys some awesome cars that I found. I'm still trying to gain access to this area, but there's like hundreds of classic cars that I found that I'm still trying to get to area. I'd like to share with you. It looks like there's more cars here, but guys, before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Use the support. Like and share the video, hit that bell notification because I'm coming out with videos. I have well over 400 videos of classic European, classic muscle, and classic cars on this channel. But I just want to share with you, check out these cars we have here. A lot of cars from the 50s. Old Chevy right there, two-door. Old Dodge. Good stuff. Old T-Bird over there. As you can see, it's the second car in. Trans Am right here. So we got a bunch of rusty gold here, guys. A lot of classic cars. Convertible Lincoln back there. Old convertible Lincoln right there, that white one. Buick convertible right here. It's like a 54 Cadillac. Another Buick, Chevys, Fords. I'm going to take you down the block with even more cars. See, there's an old Riviera, Buick Riviera, Cadillacs. So, about 30 or 40 cars here. Pontiac Trans Am. But there's more. It's like endless. I can't really see beyond. It's like 3 or 4 roads back. But cool bunch of classic cars here. Some rusty gold. That tail light on this car. That's pretty cool. What kind of car is that, guys? Cool tail light. Is that like a Plymouth or something? Always find these old cars. Subscribe to my channel. Always find the stuff from Long Island. I really don't reach out, but I'm gonna start driving to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, upstate New York, and try to find some old cars for you guys. So let me just drive down the block. I'll show you the other lot full of cars. Hold on. Find some rusty gold. I'm stopping this week to see cars all over. This is a big lot right here, guys. Check this out. Hold on, the car's coming. It's just tons of classic cars. There's a storage facility here. It's pretty wild. Old GMC Sprint. El Camino type car. Can't really see over here, but it's full of classics. The cars are loaded up, guys. Let me see. there. See the Corvair. There's a Corvair right there. Burgundy Corvair. Looks like there's a Camaro there. But I know you can't see it, but as far as the eyes can see, all the way back, it's just tons of classic cars. I'm gonna try to get on the inside of this facility and share these cars. Rusty gold, guys. Alright guys, seems to be about it. Is there more over here? Some shop equipment now, but we'll try to get in that yard, see what's from the inside out. It looks like it's locked up, but I'll work on, see if I get in touch with the owner. But like and share my videos, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, because I'm gonna come out with more and more classic cars. And I just wanted to say, you know, keep on watching my channel, and I'll find some more cool stuff. Have a great day. Bye bye.